Start with an in-depth consultation to best assess your client's hair type and needs. Diagnose their hair texture and condition to create their personalised copyright care regime. Apply heat protection spray followed by volume lift spray mousse. To start the cut, take a radial parting from ear to ear across the crown. Comb and elevate the hair 90 degrees to the round of the head, and point cut square to the head shape to remove weight. Continue towards the nape using the same technique, increasing the length to maintain softness through the perimeter. Continue with pivoting sections towards the ear. Over-direct each section slightly back and up away from the hairline. This will maintain weight through the length within the perimeter. Note the change of hand and body position and repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Take a central vertical section between the crown and front hairline. Comb and elevate the hair 90 degrees to the top of the head. Point cut square to the head shape to connect the layers with the existing fringe. Continue with slight diagonal forward sections on the top. Comb and elevate the hair 90 degrees to the round of the head, then point cut from short to long on both sides. Blow dry the fringe before cutting. Reshape the fringe within the comb using shallow point cutting. Further detail using freehand point cutting. Next, reshape the baseline and perimeter using deep point cutting at a low elevation. blow-dry the hair smooth using a TIGI Pro small paddle brush and a large round brush. To create texture and movement, buckle the hair using the hands and dryer. Complete the look with volume finishing spray.